Pollution, discarded fishing gear, and overfishing now threaten the future of these magnificent ocean travelers. Every graceful movement reflects perfect adaptation, allowing the manta ray to glide effortlessly through the sea. Seasonal migrations carry manta rays across vast oceans in search of abundant food and warmer waters. Sharing the water with a manta ray reveals its peaceful nature and breathtaking size up close. Highly intelligent and curious, manta rays often visit cleaning stations to keep their bodies healthy. Despite its enormous size, the manta ray survives by filtering tiny plankton drifting through the sea. With wings stretching over 7 meters, the manta ray is the largest ray species found anywhere on Earth. Ultra-realistic, Nature Geographic style, National Geographic style. Peaceful, intelligent, and breathtakingly graceful, the manta ray remains one of the ocean's most inspiring giants. Marine protected areas offer hope by safeguarding critical habitats where manta rays can safely thrive.